This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 5 of building Optimus Prime, the Prime Transformer. It's the first time I've seen the back of him, I think. That's quite cool. He's got lots going on there as well. It's not just a one-dimensional toy. It's not a toy at all. It's a scale model. It's impressive looking. And the foot is what we've been working on and what we continue to work on today. Look at the size. He's going to be huge, isn't he? Right, so let's have a quick flick through the magazine first. Sam Witwicky. Yes. What can you say about Sam? I liked him. The character was good. It worked well. I wasn't unhappy with how Shea did it. He went a bit strange afterwards, but apparently he's gotten better again now. I don't know. I don't think he'll be returning to the series, but the Eternal Battle, Cybertron, obviously. Jazz, yeah, Jazz, cool character as well. Well, they're all great, aren't they? None of them are bad. The birth of the Transformers, was it? You'd have to read the words to find out, but was it the cartoon first and then the toys? I think they launched together. Yeah, proper Megatron being a gun. Very interesting. Now that is not how it was when I had it. That was the backstock to make it a sort of shoulder rifle, and that was a sight or a longer barrel, or a sight and a longer barrel. That was the transformed version. You used it as like a big gun, but there we go. Proper Soundwave, being a tape with I can't remember the name of the bird thing that was the cassette, but obviously Grimlock from the Dinobots as well. So yes, we've got the right foot wheel, or at least part of it, and another little bit of foot manipulation to do. So we're going to put the little bracket bit on, keep hold of the tyre and the rim for later, for next time when I think we get the rest of the wheel, and then we can attach that to the outside there. So look at the scale. It's quite impressive. It really, really is. I'm really enjoying this build. It's great. This issue, this pack came with a free gift. We get some posters in a nice folder with a big picture of Optimus on the front and the back, obviously front and back views. Quite cool. So the posters we get are the movie posters from the original, obviously, movie. 747 was obviously when it was released, I assume in the US. But we've got Protect and Destroy, obviously Megatron and Optimus face to face. Nice glossy pictures, reprints of the original movie posters, which obviously were up in movie theatres around you then a long time ago now. It does feel there's been, I don't know how many Transformers movies have been in between, quite a few, but yeah, enjoying the build, looking forward to it. Let me continue with this little part of the next bit of the build. So this issue marks what's probably, I assume, the changeover point. Instead of getting a big bubble pack displaying all the parts nicely, they now know they've got you. You're subscribed. You're not going to see it in the newsagent and think, oh, I'll pick that up. That looks nice. So they cut costs a bit and put them in packets, which do the job. They're more than serviceable. I'm up for reducing packaging and stuff as well. So in here we have the next few parts. As I say, this is a short issue. I shall get rid of those. Don't need those anymore. We've got some bits and some screws as ever with these. Pretty sure we're not going to be using those two bits. The tyre is not very big. I was expecting, I don't know, I'm comparing it now to the 1/8 scale cars that I've been building, and it's tiny, but it's not 1/8 scale of this. This is, I don't know what scale it is. I should try and work it out. Actually, I'll let you lot work it out. Do me a favour. Have a look. Find out what truck Optimus Prime is in the movies. I've got no idea. I don't know trucks. And find out what the diameter of his wheels would be. This is basically 2.5 inches if you're being American and doing it like that, or six, just over 60 millimeters, 60 centimeters, 63, 64 mil in diameter for the tire. If you can find out, if you know what truck he is and what size wheels he has, let me know and we'll figure out what the scale of this kit is going to be. It's going to be a tiny scale because it's obviously, he's huge. But yeah, that will be interesting. And I can't do research myself. Why should I do research when you lot are here? So hopefully you can help me out with that. One screw left in there, and we've got 3 bits, one of which just pops on the top. That goes on that post, no doubt. No, it's got to go through. It's not that bit. It's that bit that goes on that post. Which way round? With the flat bit at the top, as I assumed it would be. It'll only go on that way round because of the shape of things. So that just goes in there. Obviously, could have supplied it last time, but they thought it'd give us something else to do. This screw will go through this bit. Interesting. Are we not attaching this on there, or we need another screw for it? Should I have not have put the screws away? That goes on there that way round with the screw in there. There we go. Get that tightened onto there. Another, I want to say toe, but it's not really a toe. It's just sort of near a toe. But what do they call it? A stabilizer. And the lower right. So this is going to go on there somewhere-ish. About there. Exactly where it attaches, I don't know. It's probably going to be that way round, I would assume. One of those ways round. A bigger hole, so we've got to get the screw in that one. Probably up there from hinged. I don't know. But for now, those bits are kept aside. That will be kept aside. And next time, we'll no doubt be attaching it all together. But for now, that is part of this build complete. This is this month's delivery complete. So I shall put it all away quite conveniently. We've got some larger bags there. So what I shall do will be to keep those for future use. And I'll put all of the other little screws and extra washers and plugs and things all in there. At some point, I'll go through and sort them out and minimize them because there's other, you know, BM screws and things in different packets. But for now, that keeps them all together. I shall put all of these away in the box with the spare bits and the big, even got some weight to it. I'm liking it. Really, really good. Hopefully you're liking it too. Do leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the build so far. If you're impressed with it, if you've got problems with some of it being plastic. We knew some of it was going to be plastic because otherwise, I mean, it's already meaty. Listen, that's on a padded desk. Yeah. So there's already stuff going on. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I shall see you for more of this in a few weeks. But there are other things happening on the channel all the time. So keep an eye on it. Like, subscribe, ring the notification bell. And I shall see you for more very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.